Okay, hello everyone. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Lali Safika Handayani, and in here I am a sales marketing for vinyl products at Elegant Wood. And I'd like to say thank you for the opportunity. Today, I will present the weekly target sales table for November 2025 from our vinyl product line. I will explain the weekly sales performed beside on the table, including products movement, customer demand, forecast orders, forecast accuracy, and balance result. In addition, I will clarify how NG material claims have influenced to the fluctuation seen in the balance column. And before reviewing weekly performance, allow me to clarify several important terms used in our sales table. First, quantity per week is the actually weekly quantity target allocated for production and sales distribution. This indicates how many sheets and bundles of fillers must be prepared a specific week. And then we have forecast order is the official order quantity confirmed by our customer for the period of November 2025. And then we have forecast is our internal projection of how much vinyl we are able to produce and deliver within that week. And the forecast is affected by production capacity, machine condition, and most importantly, NG material availability. And we got balance, and balance is mean PO minus forecast. The indicates wherever we have shortage, equal fulfillment, or surplus production. So in here, when we have negative balance, is the main like forecast lower than PO, it's shortage. And when we got zero balance, the main is forecast matches PO, and we got the positive balance. The main is forecast higher than PO, like surplus or buffer stock. So all deviation negative, zero, and positive are heavily influenced by NG material claims, which reduce the amount of usable vinyl. Next, I will explain the weekly sales target with product vinyl at November 2025 period. So the first week we start at 3 until 8 November 2025. The products sold during this week include first vinyl with oak with quantity 180. The customer is GPNW, and then we have PO 150, the forecast 170, and we got the balance is minus 20. In here, shortage occurred due to NG cracking and moist content for the vinyl imbalance during filling. And the second product is vinyl red oak with quantity 140, and the customers is 880, and we have PO 120, and the forecast is 145, and we got the balance is minus 25. And here high negative balance caused by NG thickness deviation. And the third product is walnut shapy with quantity 200 with customer EFL. We have PO 210 and then the forecast is 200, and we got the balance 10 in here, a slight surplus due to stable drying output. And the fourth product is Finnair Cherry with quantity 160 and the customer is NP. We have PO 140 and the forecast is 150, and we got the balance is minus 10. So in here NG rejection on color variant, reduce usable material. The first week NG material claim significantly impacted oak and cherry, creating negative balance. So at Walnut Shapy perform best with stable yield. And the second week we start in 10 until the end at 15, 15 November 2025. The product is the first Finnair Paldao with quantity 140. The customer is Luxi, and then we had PO 130 and the forecast is 135, and we got the balance is minus 5. In here minor shortage due to Finnair wrapping. The second product is Finnair Euro Oak Bird with quantity 220. The customer is IP, and we have PO 200 and the forecast is 220. In here we got the balance is 20, and in here the second product good performance, no NG issues at this product. And then the third product is Finnair Brown Peach. The quantity is 150, and then the customer is GF, and we have PO is 150, and then the forecast is 160, and the balance we got minus 10. Nah, in here NG issue on not defect increased rejection. So the second week is generally stable with Euro Oak exceeding expectations. NG claims remain moderate but manageable. And then next, the third week we start at 17 until 21 November 2025, and the product is Finnair Maple with quantity 170. The customer is PF. We have PO 160 and the forecast is 170, and we got the balance is minus 10. In here thickness variant from NG material reduce output. The second product is Finnair Pine with A grade, have quantity 125. The customer is MH, and we have PO 110 and the forecast is 115, and the balance minus 5. In here minor shortage due to natural nut rejection. And the third product is Finnair White Ace with quantity 140. The customer is KNG. We have PO 140 and the forecast is 140. It's same PO with forecast, and then we got balance is 0. So in here, stable protection, no major NG issue. And then the fourth product in the third week is Finnair Expert with 100 quantity. The customer is NG with we have PO 100 and the forecast is 100. It is same PO and the forecast, and we got the balance is 10. The balance is 0. Sorry. And in here forecast alignment perfectly with demand. So this third week is Maple and Pine experience slight shortage from NG rejection. White Ash and Expert were ideal case with zero deviation. And then the last is for week. We start at 2025 until 29 November 2025. Include the product is Finnair Walnut Bird with quantity 170. The customer is PMO, and we have PO 160 and the forecast 170, and we got the balance is minus 10. And in here NG discoloration led to lower accepted sheets. The second product is Finnair Wet Oak Flake with quantity 100, and the customer is SKZ. We have PO 100 and then the forecast is 100, so it is same, and then we got the balance in 0. In here high stability in appealing quality. The third product is Finnair Oak Reef Smoke with quantity 125. The customer is PP, and then we have PO 110, and then the forecast is 115, and we got the balance is minus 5. In here slight shortage due to NG exit cracks. And at the fourth week NG material impacts were moderate, but Walnut Bird was most affected. Nah, after I explain the weekly target sales in here, I will explain the impact of NG material claims on the balance result. So the NG material claims remain the primary contribution factor for deviation in our balance column. The following outcomes have been adverb A, negative balance or shortage. Accused NG rejection rate increases caused by 1. Crack during peeling, 2. Wrapping after drying, the third is color defect, and the fourth is thickness variant. This reduce the amount of Finnair categories as good use, lowering the forecast. And B, zero balance or stable performance happen when NG level are low. Production machine run smoothly, and the third moisture content is well controlled. Forecast align perfectly with customer PO. And then the C, positive balance or surplus occurs when first production yield increases, and the second NG material claims are very low. The third, availability of buffer stock. This helps in maintaining flexibility for urgent order. That concludes my presentation for the weekly target sales table of November 2025. Through this report, we can clearly see the movement of each product per week, the relationship between PO, forecast, and balance, and how NG material claims directly impact our sales performance. I'm ready to proceed with improvement and further and further coordination with production, QC, and procurement teams to reduce NG rates and ensure more stable forecasting in the upcoming period. So thank you so much. So that's my presentation. I'd say to thank you